Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. Right now it is about 7:30 a.m. Sean is still at the gym and I slept really good last night, so I think we went to bed at about 9:30 and then I actually woke up at 4 a.m. which is crazy to me because I am not an early riser at all. But this morning I was able to do a quick little time lapse of the sunrise, so I am happy that I woke up early today. I actually tried to go back to sleep, but my body wouldn't let me. Back in Anchorage, Alaska, we're 4 hours behind over there, so my body is just like so confused right now. As far as today's plans go, we have our lunch reservation at Sanaa, and I cannot wait to get the bread service. That's my favorite there. And then the rest of the day, I'm just going to be relaxing and working on editing videos. That way I can push them out. I'm super grateful for today. We're just getting our bodies used to a different time schedule, and then of course the different weather elements out here. And then starting tomorrow is when we hit the ground running, because Monday is our Magic Kingdom day, and then Tuesday we'll be at Hollywood Studios, Wednesday Animal Kingdom, Thursday we'll be at Epcot, and then Friday is Hollywood Studios again. And then after all of our park days are done, Saturday is when we hop on the Disney Fantasy, and I can't freaking wait. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go chill out on the balcony and see what kind of animals I can find as they start waking up and coming out onto the savannah. Alright, so we're taking a little break. We're gonna go to the pool for about an hour, and then we're gonna go to our room to freshen up for lunch. And it's such a nice, beautiful day already. Nice and toasty. It feels like it's like 80 degrees already. So they have a slide over this way, and then they also have like a smaller one right over here. Alright guys, we'll see you at lunch.
So we're going to lunch now.
I'm sorry, honey.
Lindsay did something embarrassing. We're rushing because towel service came, or no, trash service came by.
They come daily to pick up trash and check out the room. And I answered the door and he was like, "Can I come in and pick up the trash?" I was like, "Yeah, sure, no problem." And then I walk back and I see Sean still unclothed.
Wait, too soon.
Oh.
So to continue the story, Lynn said yes to trash services while I was still in a towel getting ready. So I had to hide in the bed area till the cast left.
I'm sorry, baby.
We're all checked in, just waiting for the text to say our table's ready. Honey. Coming in hot with the bread service at Sanaa.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is always like a go-to place of ours when we're here at Animal Kingdom. So we just got done eating lunch. We didn't get a table by the windows, but it's alright because right when you exit the restaurant, they have an outlook area where you can see the animals. So let me flip the camera around so you can see what we see. There's some zebras over there. And then out in the distance, there's a giraffe. So Sanaa is right over here. Something I really love about this resort are all of the different lookout points. So from the lobby you can hang out right out there, get a nice view, and then they also have another lookout area up here. So Sanaa was amazing per usual. We brought back a healthy portion of leftovers, and we also asked for extra rice to take with us, and that we will have dinner for tonight. Now we're headed back to our room. That way I can finish up on editing my vlogs. All right, so we are back in our room now. I thought it would be really fun to show you my vlogging equipment for when I travel, so let me go ahead and show you the types of cameras that I bring with me. All right, so the first camera that I'm going to share with you guys is my phone. So phones nowadays take amazing pictures and also take amazing videos, and you already have the equipment to start vlogging. So if you've ever wanted to start vlogging and you have a phone, boom, you're set. You just gotta press record. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro, and honestly, sometimes I can't even tell the difference when I edit videos using footage from my phone. So the other device that I'm gonna share with you is my GoPro Hero 8. So Sean and I actually have two of them. We invested in them last year. So a few things that I love about using GoPros is that they are small and compact. I also love that they are super durable and weatherproof. So in times of inclement weather, I don't have to worry about getting it messed up in the rain or in the snow. And since it's waterproof, I bring it in the pool, to the beach. I can make amazing footage in all different places. I love that this operates on external batteries. So if the battery dies in this, I usually have two backups with me that I could just easily swap out. All right, so let's talk about things that I don't like about the GoPro. It does all right in low light situations. It's not the best. I also don't like that I can't zoom in and out while recording, and the mic is okay. It's not the best, but it's not awful. It's just okay. All right, so let me show you my newest camera. This is the DJI Pocket 2. And I saw my girlfriend Jessie from Miss Cherry's channel with it, and I was like, ooh, what is that? So I just recently got this, and I'm still learning how to operate it, but so far I love it. So the stabilization is even better on this than on the GoPro. The camera is right over here, this piece right here, and then the rest of the handle is basically the gimbal, making sure that the footage is as smooth as possible. I love that I can zoom in and out while I'm recording. It takes great pictures, and the footage is great. So a couple of things that I don't like about this camera is that it is not quite as durable as the GoPro. So this is not weatherproof, and it can get pretty beat up quickly if I'm not careful when I use it. Something else I don't like about this camera is that it has an internal battery, so I have to charge it. I do have some external battery accessories that can charge it, but still I'd prefer to have just extra batteries to swap them in and out. But the footage on this is so amazing. It's very smooth. The audio is really good, and I love it. So I carry both of these around. They're both really small and compact, so I don't mind carrying them around because each one serves a specific purpose. So if I'm going on like a water ride or I'm at the beach, I would definitely pick the GoPro. But in other situations where I want a little bit better quality and better stabilization, I will pick the DJI Pocket 2. So both of them operate on micro SD cards, and then I also have my external hard drive that I got from Costco. This little thing holds 1 terabyte of data. That is insane to me that this little thing can do that kind of work. But anyways, at the end of the day, I try to transfer all of my files that I need to edit onto here. That way I can clear up the spaces on the micro SD cards. So what questions about vlogging do you have? Or are you already a vlogger? Let me know what your setup is. I always love learning about how other people edit their work or what equipment they use. At home for sit-down videos, most of my vlogs are filmed on my Canon EOS M50, which is a fantastic camera, especially for taking pictures. I particularly don't like traveling with it though, because it's so big and bulky, and I'm honestly just lazy. And also it doesn't have great stabilization, so I know a gimbal can fix that, but again, it would have made the camera even heavier and more equipment to carry around, so I just prefer to use that at home. All right, so let me give you a quick behind the scenes look of myself editing a vlog using Final Cut Pro on my MacBook Pro. So I've been busy working hard on uploading our travel day vlog. Sean went to do some exploring and he also walked over to Jumbo House to pick up some food. So let me show you what he got. All right, so here is the food that he picked up. He got this fried chicken flatbread and it looks delicious. And then he also got a Caesar salad and he got this flamingo cake. So fun fact, Sean and I got married at the Flamingo in Las Vegas, so as you can tell, flamingos are one of my favorite animals and it just makes me happy, so I can't wait to try this. As far as my dinner goes, I'm just gonna eat the leftovers from Sanaa. So I got some jasmine rice, or no, I'm sorry, I got some basmati rice and then braised beef, and it's so good. So thank you for following along today's chill day. Like I said, it's not going to be chill anymore. And as you can see, we're watching one of our favorite movies, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. But anyways, tomorrow we're headed out to Magic Kingdom, and I hope you join along for that vlog as well. All right, guys, have a good night. Bye!